Sadly, if you have an Otterbox, this will not work. I cannot push it all the way in because the Otterbox case gets in the way. So if I open it up, my goodness, oops, even with that, it probably still won't go in. Nope. So I will pop open my Otterbox to show you that the charger does work. It just won't work through this case. Okay, now it works. So unfortunately, I will have to give this back, or give this to someone else rather than return it, because it will cost too much to ship it back. Here we go again. Watch when I totally works that way. So yeah, what a bummer. Looks like a great charger.